Hi everybody, Scott Tanner coming to you live right here at Sunset Kia of Auburn, and it is a Sunday. And we have a very special guest. Erica, how are you?
I'm awesome. How are you?
We're doing very good, and we don't even know who that is right there. It's Sunday. So you found a vehicle you were driving to another dealership to go get, but you found out they were too far away.
Right.
And you looked online, found a vehicle, came in, were treated very professionally, and you're driving home today in a Subaru.
Yes.
Everybody's having fun. And another reason you came in is because of what?
Well, I wanted to bang this gong.
Okay, we're going to do it. I want you to do it loud and proud. On 3, 2, 1. Oh my! Woo! Congratulations.
Will be for a while.
Give me a high five. Congratulations. Tell your friends and family about the experience here at the Sunset Auto family. Take care.
I love this place.